Every day, millions of vehicles, telecom towers, and backup systems across India run on batteries. But have you ever wondered what happens when those batteries die? If they are dumped carelessly, they can release toxic lead and acid into the environment, contaminating soil and water, and even affecting human health. And that's exactly where Exide's recycling ecosystem steps in. Through its recycling network and subsidiary operations, Exide collects used lead-acid batteries and brings them into controlled recycling facilities where almost every component gets a second life. The process begins with safe collection and sorting. Batteries are carefully dismantled inside regulated units where the acid is neutralized, plastics are separated, and lead components are extracted. Then comes the most critical stage, smelting and refining. Here, recovered lead is processed in advanced furnaces equipped with emission control systems designed to minimize environmental impact. Instead of letting harmful fumes escape into the air, these systems help maintain safer operation and cleaner processing standards. Even the plastic casings are not wasted. They are crushed, cleaned, and reused to manufacture new battery components, creating what the industry calls a closed-loop recycling system. What makes this important is that recycling lead requires significantly fewer natural resources compared to fresh mining. So every battery returned for responsible recycling helps reduce waste, conserve material, and support a more sustainable manufacturing cycle. But there's still a challenge. Informal and unauthorized smelters continue to operate in some regions, often without proper safety measures. That's why awareness and responsible disposal matter just as much as technology. And the message is simple. When a battery reaches the end of its life, don't throw it away. Return it to the authorized collection centers and ensure it enters a safe recycling chain. Because sustainable recycling isn't just about waste management. It's about protecting communities, conserving resources, and building a cleaner future, one battery at a time.